how to remediate sensitive information inside existing documents. Sometimes you need to replace the original file completely with its redacted version to ensure compliance. Other times you want to keep the original in place, but still download and share a safe redacted version with third parties. PII Tools supports both workflows. With PII Tools, redacting documents is fully automated, whether it's one document or a million. From the analytics view, select the files you want to remediate and open the Remediate All menu. Choosing Redact in place replaces all the selected original files with their safe, redacted versions in the same locations. The original is permanently replaced, but you can select Copy Files to Quarantine, which will copy the original unredacted file to a different location first. This can be useful for legal hold or archival or keeping backups. You can also add a file suffix here, for example, _redacted, so the redacted file is easy to distinguish from the original. Next, select a redaction profile. Profiles control how the sensitive information will be redacted. The default Mask All profile hides every detected PII item, effectively masking all sensitive data inside the documents. But you can create or select other profiles depending on your organization's policies. For example, to hide all but the last 4 digits of credit cards. To do so, go to Redaction Profiles in the main menu. Create a new profile and name it, for example, Redact CC Only. Click Add Redaction Rule and select Credit Card. As the Redact transformation, select Leave Last 4 characters. Finally, choose Mask None as the fallback transformation, which means no other PII is to be redacted. Save this profile and use it when redacting documents in the future. Finally, you can leave a note for this remediation task. Notes are stored in the audit log, so you always have a clear record of what was done and why. If you don't want to overwrite the originals, you can instead choose Download Redacted. That will create a zip with redacted copies, while keeping your source files untouched. That's it. Use Redact in place when compliance requires redacting the original, or download Redacted when you need a safe copy without altering your native data source. And don't forget, suffixes, redaction profiles, and notes give you full control over the process. For more help, check the online documentation or contact your PII Tools support team. If you want to learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile for more tutorials and resources.